Hello dear students, welcome back to mathematics class. Already you know we are discussing your fifth lesson, fourth lesson, and that is fraction. In previous videos you learnt the meaning of fraction, types of fraction, and in today's class we are going to learn about, dear students, you learned the types of fractions. Let us revise in once again. See here, this is proper fraction, improper fraction, and one more is mixed fraction. Okay, so let us take some example. 1 by 2, 5 by 3, 1 integer, 2 by 5. Okay, so here proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction is there. If see here, numerator is small and denominator big is there, means that is proper fraction. Improper fraction means if numerator is big and denominator small is there, means that is improper fraction. Mixed fraction means one integer and one proper fraction is there, means that is mixed fraction. Okay, so this is about types of fraction, and also you learned the like and unlike fraction. Okay, so in today's class you will learn how to convert improper fraction to mixed fraction and mixed fraction to improper fraction. So here I have written mixed fraction, converting mixed fraction as improper fraction and converting improper fraction as mixed fraction. And I will solve some of the examples from your My Practice Time 1, page number 132, third main and fourth main. Express the following mixed numbers as a improper fractions and express the following improper fraction as a mixed fractions. So let us see how to solve this examples, means how to convert this mixed fraction to improper fraction. So let us take here one example. 12 integer 2 by 3. 12 integer 2 by 3, or you can read it as a 12 2 by 3. Okay, so first here while converting, this is a mixed fraction. First you need to multiply, again you need to add. So write here 3 into 12, 3 into 12 plus 2. 3 into 12 plus 2. Okay, next again you keep this denominator as it is. Don't forget to write the denominator. Once again I will repeat. First you need to multiply, next you add. Okay, what is there here? 3 into 12. 3 into 12 plus 2 divided by 3. Next, see here, 3 12s you don't know, but 12 3s is 36. 36. 12 3s are 36 plus 2 is equal to 3. Okay, so 36 plus 2 is 38 divided by 3. I hope you are getting my point. First you need to multiply, whatever you get answer, no, you add in that, add 2 in that. So here 3 into 12 plus 2 divided by 3, 3 12s is 36 plus 2 divided by 3, 36 plus 2 is 38, 38 by 3 will be the answer. I hope you are getting my point. Let us take one more example. I will take here 4 integer 1 by 8. 4 integer 1 by 8. Then how to do this? First you need to multiply, next you add. Multiply here 8 into 4, 8 into 4 plus 1 divided by 8. 8 4s are 32. Yes, 8 4s are 32. What is there here? Plus 1 upon 8. Okay, 32 plus 1 is 33 by 8. Okay, so next I will take few more examples on this converting mixed to improper. So let us take one more example. 6 integer 3 by 4, and once again one more example is 3 integer 3 by 11. Okay, so here first what I need to do here? Multiplication, addition. 4 into 6 plus 3 divided by 4. How I wrote, understood? 4 into 6 plus 3. Then take here 4 6 are 24 plus 3. 4 6 are 24 plus 3 divided by 4. Most of the students are forgetting to write this 4. Okay, so 24 is 27. Okay, by 4. 27 by 4. Here, next you take one more example. I will multiply here 11 into 3 plus 3, okay, upon 11. You keep as it is. 11 3s are 33. 11 3s are 33. Here you put plus, next here you write 3. Okay, 33 plus 3 is, don't forget to write here denominator. 33 plus 3 is 36 by 11. I hope you have taken my point. This time we need to convert mixed number or mixed fraction as a improper fraction. Is it clear? Then we will move to next. That is improper fraction as mixed fraction. Means here converted mixed to improper. See here 27 by 4, 36 by 11. They all are improper fraction. Why? Because here numerator is bigger, denominator is small. Okay. Next we will move to next one, that is improper fraction as a mixed numbers. So here I take one example, and that is 14 by 3. Then how to convert this number as a mixed fraction? You have to divide the number. Okay, big number you write inside and small number you write outside. Okay, then see here 3 ones are table, 14 is there? No, but 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are is 12. Right here 3 4s are 12. I hope you know how to divide the number. Then do here subtraction. 4 minus 2 is 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. Then write its reverse order. This quotient you write as a integer, remainder as a numerator, and this divisor as a what? Denominator. 4 integer 2 by 3. You have to write its reverse order. So here 14 by 3 is there. See here, when you are converting improper fraction, you need to multiply and add. Here you need to divide the number. Okay. So here you have to do like this. 3 4 are 12. 4 minus 2 is 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay. Next I will take one more example, and that is 29 by 7. 29 by 7 is there. Divide here 29 and here you write 7. Then already you know 7 is the table. 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14, 7 3 is 21, and 7 4 is 28. So lesser than 29 is 7 4 is 28. 9 minus 8 is 1. 2 minus 2 is 0. Next you write its reverse order. So here you write 4 integer 1 by 7. 4 integer 1 by 7. Understood how to write? Dear students, here you may get some confusion, but by solving so many times that confusion will go. Okay? So you need more and more practice. Solve. First, when solving, the whichever examples are solved by D. Whichever examples are solved by D, no, that you have to solve. Okay. Next, we will take one more example. Next, practice your exercise example. Almost all practice time examples only. So here take one more example. 120 by 11. So right here 120 by 11. Okay. So divide this number. 11 ones are 11. Okay. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Next you take this 0 down. So I can't divide this number. So write reverse order. Okay. So how to write this? 1 integer 10 by 11. 1 integer 10 by 11. Let us take one more example. That is 53 by 53 by 6. Okay, 53 by 6. Okay, next here you write 53 and 6. So 6 is 54. I can't take that number. Then less than 53 is 6 8 6 8 48. If you are writing quotient here, no problem. If you are writing here also, no problem. Don't get confusion. 48, 3 minus 8 not possible. Take carry. 13 minus 8. 13 minus 8 is 5, and 5 minus 5 is 0. 5 it means 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. So here, next how to write this? 8 integer 5 by 6. Okay. This type you have to convert mixed fraction as a improper fraction and improper fraction as a have solved your most of the examples from your My Practice Time 1, page number 132. See here, before solving this exercise, solve whichever examples I have solved on the board. Next you move to remaining examples. Okay. In next class, I will teach the meaning of the equivalent fraction, how to write the equivalent fraction, how to write the fill in the blanks, and how to reduce the number. Okay. I hope today's class is clear to you. Thank you.